welcome to my tutorial about one of the IMs or instructional materials that we can use in school, which is the zigzag board. It is a multi-board series of 3 or 4 rectangular boards. They are joined together along the sides by hinges so that it can be easily folded up and carried. So without further ado, just keep on watching.
First you can do is print out the topic that you will be input in your zigzag board and prepare all the materials that you need. So now let's proceed to on how to make the zigzag board tutorial. Just keep on watching. So now this is the final output. I hope you've learned on how to make a zigzag board. Thank you for watching on my tutorial.